Just to update with how things have been since last time. Granted, the pandemic has kind of modified the amount of things that we could do, but the gyms have been reopening, and I got into climbing, which I think a lot of people have been getting into since the pandemic. And I don't have any inhibitions or restrictions with that, which has been great. Also, I've been doing a lot of hiking, going to places like Yosemite and doing some really intense hikes, and not having that limitation to explore and do the things that I've always been wanting to do. So that's been really great. And then just falling back into playing soccer and doing meetup soccer groups and going into swimming, and just having a more varied, active lifestyle again, which has been amazing. It's still surreal, even though it's been since 2014 that I had my knee surgery here at Stone Clinic. It's still surreal that I wake up every morning and I don't have to work a schedule around what my knee is feeling. I don't have that stiffness anymore, and that's made a world of a difference.